I had 70 videos that needed transcribing, YouTube tutorials, course content, hours of footage. Professional transcription services wanted $900. Subscription platforms charged $20 to $30 per month with usage limits. Every service wanted me to upload my videos to their servers. Why would I hand over my content to companies that probably store it forever and use it to train their AI? So I built my own tool in 15 minutes with Claude AI. Zero cost, runs completely offline. 40 minutes later, all 70 transcripts done. Total cost, $0. Real talk, I don't trust uploading my videos to random websites. I needed transcripts to turn videos into blog posts, create course documentation, and make my content accessible. But here's what I found. Professional human transcription, $1.50 per minute. For my 70 videos, $900. AI transcription subscriptions, $20 to $30 monthly. Usage limits of 600 to 1,000 minutes. I'd blow through that in one batch. Same problem everywhere. Upload to their servers. Hand over your intellectual property. Pay every month. Hit limits when you scale. I just wanted transcripts, not to become someone's training data. Googling offline video transcription for the 50th time, I found OpenAI's Whisper model. Wait, this runs completely locally? No API keys, no uploads, no subscriptions, works offline. Opened Claude AI. Help me build a local video transcription tool. 15 minutes later, working Python code. 40 minutes after that, 70 video transcripts in clean markdown files. Total cost, $0. Let me show you how to create it. You can download the complete file list from the link below for free. First, a new folder for the project. Calling it Video Transcription Tool. You can create this anywhere you like. Now opening this folder in VS Code, this is where we'll write all the code. You need to verify that Python is installed. I already have it installed. Let me show you how to check. Open a terminal and type Python --version. Great, Python 3.12 installed. Now a virtual environment. This keeps our project dependencies isolated. Type Python-mvenv. Activate this virtual environment. On Windows, type venv/scripts/activate. Now let's install our Python packages. These are the AI and computer version libraries we need. Type pip install OpenAI Whisper, OpenCV Python, PyTesseract, Pillow, NumPy. This will take a minute or two to download and install. Now we need Tesseract OCR to read text from video slides. Going to the given GitHub URL, scroll down to the Windows section and download the latest installer. Run the installer. Continue through the setup process. Important, pay attention to this path. C/program files/Tesseract OCR. I don't want to continue the setup because I already installed it. Now we need FFmpeg for audio processing. Go to the link provided and click on FFmpeg essentials.7z. Takes a moment to download. Once downloaded, extract it. Change the long folder name to a simple one to keep it simple. Now moving this entire folder to the C drive, so the final location is C/FFmpeg. Now we need to add FFmpeg to the system path so Windows can find it. Press Windows +R, type sysdm.cpl. This opens System Properties. Click the Advanced tab, then Environment Variables. In the System Variables section, find Path and click Edit. Now, click New and add C/FFmpeg/bin. Back in VS Code, time for our first Python file. Click New File and immediately save it as video-to-transcript.py. This will be our tool that extracts slides and transcripts. Now get the full code and paste it here. Don't forget to save the file. I have my YouTube short videos published last week. I just copied the folder path and came to the terminal. Type python batch transcribe.py and paste the folder path. Enter. Look at this. It found 3 videos in the folder. Load the Whisper model and start to process one by one. This 3-minute video takes about 1 to 2 minutes to process on my laptop. Let's check the output. Look at this. Nicely organized MD file. It has got complete transcript and time-stamped segments for all 3 files. So that's the complete setup. Now here's the bonus. You can turn this into income. Market rates: $30 to $50 for a 10-minute video, $100 to $200 for longer videos. Your cost: $0 plus 10 minutes of your time. Process 20 videos monthly at $50 each. That's $1,000 in revenue. Pure profit. Find clients on freelance platforms. Offer a 24-hour turnaround. Target YouTubers, podcasters, and course creators. They need this constantly. Here's what we built: free local transcription tool, Python and Whisper AI, unlimited videos, 0 cost, completely offline, 100% private. I processed 70 videos in 40 minutes, saved $900. Now I use it for all my content. Complete code is in the description. Full guide on AIBuiltTools.com. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.